Morning, guys. It is June 28, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a lady. I know she's got a couple of Ruud units in this house, and she said the first floor one's not working. I have worked on a second floor unit in the past, and what they had up there was on the second. She was complaining about the sewer, getting a weird smell in the second floor unit. Well, the flippin' Einstein that put the unit in on the second floor, he tied the drain line right into the vent stack of the plumbing. So what was happening is, it was, you know, when the unit would run and the trap would get dried up, the sewer gas would go right through the house. It'd get pulled right through the house. The smell was terrible. So we had to run a new line down through and cap that line going. You can't tie it into the sewer vent. Not a good idea. But anyway, that was the second floor unit that we straightened out for her. To be honest with you, some of these jobs I don't even want to get involved with because they're so hacked up. Now I end up working on them. My name gets put on there that, you know, oh, so and so worked on this. I gotta be careful on shit that I do. But anyway, her first floor unit's not working. Says she ran it all night. It was 70. It set at 72 and it's 75 this morning. I said, well, why didn't you just shut it off if it wasn't working? People just don't get it. They just don't get it, Miss Molly. I don't know why they don't understand. No, the unit's been running for 5 days and it's still not cooling. It's like, lady, just shut it off. If it's not cooling, shut it off. But anyway, we're going to go over there, probably find a flipping ice cube. Who knows what we're going to find. It might be interesting, Mr. Grinch. It might be interesting. Never a dull moment, Mr. Grinch. Anyway, the next 3 days is supposed to be really hot. A little windy out today. She's a little breezy out, man, Miss Molly. Yeah, she's a little breezy out there, Miss Molly. Anyway, we're gonna go find out what's going on with this lady's AC. She's got older 22 units there, Ruud. The rectangular older units. I don't think I've ever looked at the first floor one. Could be just a dirty filter, who knows? Another damsel in distress, mama. Another damsel in distress. No hot air coming out. This one's coming out nice and hot. This is the first floor one. I don't know if the compressor's running, but we're gonna check it. What do we got for? It's a little 2.5 tonner. Look like the compressor's running. Connected. Check the capacitor. Let's hope it's that. Yeah, capacitor's no good. You might have got lucky. 0. Might have got lucky. Yeah, you might have got lucky on it. Let's see. Let's hope. That's the start wire. Ground. There's a fan. end. There's two of the common. That thing's jacked in there. 35.3.
It's amazing the gadgets they have these days.
Yeah, I know it. It's a little. She's a little crusty. Surprised the fan was even working. Let's see if I got one. I got a 35.3 right there. Look at that shit. Just a little bit smaller. That's a 50. That's the one I need right there. Alright, so that one was a little smaller. They make that little piece of metal so it don't fall in. I clipped it right there, so it'll be fine. That should start now. Put all the common, the fan, and the compressor on there. See if it starts. Compressor didn't start. Compressor didn't start. Might have to put a hot start kit on it. I got the disconnect off again. Let's see if this stuff's on. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Power's off. Down here in the water. Oh, there we go. The red one looks like it's broken. That ain't looking so kosher, is it? Oh man, she's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. See what we can do with that. Pin's still there, so maybe I could do something. I got some of these lug things. I could probably use one of these if I wanted. See if I can get that one on there like that. I should be able to. I just have to tighten it up. I got the one I need here. Let's see if we can get it on there. I gotta watch out because that's under pressure. That should work. Let's tighten it up on there. Gotta watch out because that thing, these pins could blow out at you. You don't want to do that. You want it nice and tight. Alright, that should work. It's on there nice and tight. These other ones we're going to leave alone. Crusty, mama. We'll bring this up and we'll change the wire. Put a new connector on it, and we'll just pop the other one off. Power's off anyway. So we got another wire in there, and we connected it right there. Put a pull tie on it. It should start now. Will it run? There you go. Started. The new capacitor. We got another common wire going down. See how it's all nice and cold. Charge is fine. You know, it's all sweating. Just started it. So we had a bad capacitor. And that common wire to the compressor blew off bad. These are nice units. These rods, I like them.